Hi, myself Muskan Rajab Pathan. Welcome to my video. In today's video, I am going to talk about collaboration learning. What is collaborative learning? Collaborative learning is a type of active learning that takes place in student teams. It centers on the students' discovery, study, and use of information in a collaborative manner rather than an instructor simply lecturing and the students individually passively taking notes. Their analysis generally requires interpretation, assessment, evaluation, comparison, synthesis, and so on. Why use collaborative learning? Pupils learn quality of humility, self-control, fair play, patience, and leadership. Builds pupil confidence and character. Promote pupils' learning and academic achievement. Enhance pupil satisfaction with their learning experience. Help pupils develop skill in oral communication. Develop pupils' social skill. Promote pupil self-esteem, increase pupil retention, develop a community of learners. Collaborative activities are most often based on four principles. The learner or student is the primary focus of instruction. Interaction and doing are of primary importance. Working in groups is an important mode of learning. Structured approaches to developing solutions to real world problems should be incorporated into learning. Here are some benefits of collaboration learning. Firstly, it increased achievement, increase in positive relationship, greater intrinsic motivation, higher self-esteem, more on task behavior, and lastly, better attitudes toward teacher and school. Some more benefits of collaborative learning: shared knowledge, combined expertise, integration of diverse perspectives, more creative results, meet the needs of diverse learning style, and deepens understanding of content. The importance of collaborative learning in the modern classroom. With the growth and importance of technology in the classroom, collaborative learning is slowly becoming a norm. It is a learning approach where students form groups and work together to understand a concept or to solve a problem. Collaborative learning provides a lot of benefits to students. Advantages and disadvantages of collaborative learning. Advantages are: it has been shown to have a positive effect on student learning when compared to individual or competitive conditions. It has the potential to produce a level of engagement that other forms of learning cannot. Student may explain things better to another student rather than teacher to a class. Students learn how to teach one another and explain material in their own words. Questions are more likely to be asked and answered in a group setting. Disadvantages are: a burden is making the students responsible for each other's learning apart from themselves. One study showed that in a group of mixed ability, low achieving students become passive and do not focus on the task. Depending on an individual's motivation and interest on a particular subject, that will determine how well they would learn. Low achiever become puzzled because of so many questions. 20 collaborative learning tips and strategies for teachers. Establish group goals. Keep groups mid-size. Establish flexible group norms. Build trust and promote open communication. For larger tasks, create group roles. Create a pre-test and post-test. Consider assessment. Consider using different strategies like jigsaw techniques. Allow groups to reduce anxiety. Establish group interaction. Use real world problems. Help students use inquiry. Consider diversity. Gender matters. Use scaffolding. Include different types of learning scenarios. Technology make collaborative learning easier. Keep in the mind the critics. Avoid bad work. Value intellectual divergence. Although technology changes and evolves, the primarily principles of cooperation and collaboration remain. We only need to be creative in reinventing new pedagogical practices that may help us as educators to enhance the learning benefits of collaboration through the use of new technologies.